Do you want to grow fruit trees at home but there is not much garden space and you're not sure what to grow? Then I have the answer. Today we'll talk about top 6 fruit trees that can be easily grown at home, and few of them can be easily grown in big size pots and containers as well. And they'll produce fruits also. So let's check out the list. Hey everyone, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started. The first fruit tree in the list is papaya. Papayas thrive in tropical and subtropical climate and they need warmth to grow. They need full sunlight, which is at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Typically, papayas take 6 to 12 months to produce fruit, and it can be easily grown from seeds of ripened papayas, or just buy a plant from nursery and plant it at the sunniest spot in your garden. I grew all these papaya trees from seeds only and they started producing fruit after 1 year. You can harvest the fruit when it looks yellowish or orangish. Next, easy to grow fruit tree at home is guava. They thrive in tropical climates like papayas and they also need full sunlight of at least 6 to 8 hours daily to produce fruits. You can start guavas from seeds, cuttings, or nursery plants, and they take about 3 to 4 years to produce fruits when you grow them from seeds, while grafted or cutting grown plants may start fruiting after 1 to 2 years only. There are many guava varieties available like pink guava, white guava, or Thai varieties. So you can grow the plant of your choice. Guavas doesn't need a lot of a space to grow, so it's an ideal fruit plant to grow in a small garden area. If you don't have garden area, you can grow them in big size pots and containers as well. They do produce fruit in pots. And yes, pruning after harvest is advised to encourage new growth, hence more fruit next season. Next, very easy to grow fruit at home is starfruit. Like papayas and guavas, starfruit is also a tropical and subtropical fruit and they love direct sunlight for about 6 to 8 hours. And it can be grown from seeds, cuttings, or grafted nursery plant. They produce fruit twice a year, and the fruit can be consumed raw or ripened both. And the fruit has sweet and sour taste. I have a detailed video on a star fruit. Please do check it to know more about it. Another easy to grow fruit tree at home is lemon. They produce fruits even in pots, and there are many varieties of lemon like seedless, big size ones, small size, regular ones, and lemon need full sunlight to grow well and produce fruits. So make sure if you're planting them in pots or even in garden, it is at the sunniest spot. You can grow them from seeds, by air layering method, by cutting, or the hybrid ones bought from nursery. And they take about 4 to 5 years to produce fruits if grown from seeds, while plants grown from other methods start bearing fruits in about 1.5 to 2 years only. Next fruit tree with high yield is pomegranate, which doesn't grow too big like mango trees. They need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight and warmth in temperature for fruit production. So almost all the fruit trees need full sunlight for producing fruits. You may grow them from cuttings or nursery bought plants like this one and grow them in your garden at the sunniest spot. Even you can grow them in big size pots and containers and they will produce fruits. And yes, don't forget to prune your plant once its harvesting is over, which is late winters or early spring. The plant usually starts bearing fruits in about 3 to 4 years. The last fruit tree from the list is banana. Bananas thrive in warm and humid climates. They grow best in temperature between 25 to 35 degrees and they need good sunlight for at least 4 to 5 hours daily. Choose the variety you want to grow, like yellow bananas, the small ones, or the robusta bananas, the big ones, and plant them in the garden at the sunniest spot. They should get at least 4 to 5 hours of sunlight. Bananas typically takes about 9 to 12 months to produce fruits after planting. As the banana trees grow tall, they produce fruits. They may need support as it gets really heavy with fruits, and usually the tree falls off after producing fruits or they die back. So, to make room for new growth from the suckers, it is advised to cut the old stem or the plant that has already produced the fruit. I'll come up soon with part 2 video in which I will cover another 6 exotic but easy to grow fruit trees at home. Till then, buy few fruit trees and plant them at your home. That's all for today guys. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye bye.